Hey there, it's 4:27 p.m. Saturday, August 15th, 2020. I wanted to talk to you a bit about basic stone energy, how it flows through your body. I realize it's really hard to find videos when I'm talking about something in particular. It's hard to locate them when you're searching on YouTube. But talking about energy and yourself and the energy work I've done with people, which also includes people finding their own energy by themselves before you do anything. So no one can say it's me doing something. The more I did these crank up consultations, the DNA ICUC was the last ones I was doing. That's the DNA intensive crank up consultation, where it actually modifies your DNA, it changes it, evolves it. There's scientists waiting to finish all that up and put it in writing, but not. I told them not until I get out of here. Anyway, by going into people's brains and working on them, their body, the brains, and when they were geneticists, scientists, neurologists, uh, you know, all different types of people. When you go into their heads, and then they actually feel you. And I was like the geneticist, they're scientists, but they specialize in genealogy and some other things. The guys are very incredibly smart. They're friends of ours in Spain now, and I went into his head and cranked him up, and he was like, "Whoa, what's going on? How are you doing that? You know, whatever you do, and you're doing it from Georgia, USA, to me in Spain over here." And then he started getting interested in it. It's like, this is real, whatever it is. So anyway, once I'm gone, then he'll do the rest of the DNA testing. He's very busy right now anyway, but he'll finish doing everything, write it up, and you'll see that I actually have the ability to change DNA. Now these stones and spheres that we make over here, Deanna's making them all now. I crank them up. She knows what she's doing. She knows everything that's in there. She's a very powerful source spirit. She Deanna knows what she's doing, putting these stuff together. We're not the only ones that can do this, but I was made to serve and protect, and I had to be able to immediately look at anything and understand what frequencies or what, and what percentage there are, and yada yada yada. A lot of people that'll make some stones for you, they can see it, understand it. What I'm telling you is that Deanna is very good at it, and I was made like this in the very beginning. So when I can see that, it's easy for me to know what she's doing, and she knows what she's doing, and she always has. It's natural for her, as it is many other people now. So if you go to YouTube and you go J Essex and then DNA-ICUC, that'll probably get you into some of the DNA ICUC crank ups I did, whereas